So I thought I broke my flex pipe. The flex pipe on these things are made out of, I don't know what they're made out of. They might be made out of adamantium or vibranium. But anyhow, so you got the flange that comes off the engine. Then there's a pipe that comes down like that. You got your O2 sensor coming off of it right here. Then it goes to a little piece like this. Then you got the flex pipe. Then that goes to a piece right here. That goes to a resonator. And then that goes over here. And then you got your removable coupling right here. And then this goes all the way to the back. Oh, I'm sorry. No, this is your this is the cat. And you got your cat, and then I don't remember what goes on back here. I don't have to worry about that. This part right here gets rusty. And this starts to leak sometimes. You start to smell it or you start to hear it. Right here though, it's like this. It's like another little piece of pipe inside of it. And I'll zoom in. The flex pipe has a piece that just cups right over it. Flex pipe, I'm gonna draw it a little bigger. So you got the flex pipe here. Flex pipe has a pipe coming out of it. I mean, this is all part of the flex pipe actually. But then there's a piece that goes like this, and then goes like this. It's all, you know, it's my illustration. It's my illustration, I'm sorry. So it's like this. So what happened was, I moved the flex pipe out of the way, and I didn't line it back up over this little lip. I didn't line it back over this little lip here. So as a result, air was coming out. It was bent up. The flex pipe compressed, and it was make it look a little better. So that's how the flex pipe kind of is. So this is your hard pipes. This is the flex. This whole assembly is probably the flex pipe, but flex pipe cups over here. So if you start hearing a lot of noise after messing with your muffler, just shimmy the flex pipe back over that lip. Now with mine, on my driver's side, this one is loose. The one closer to the engine is loose. On my passenger side, the one closer to the muffler, actually closer to the cat, because the cat is down here. The one closer to the cat is loose. So your flex pipe on your Q7, my Q7 is a 2007. It's 19 years old. This is not rusty. There's a mesh over it. There's a mesh over it though. There's a little mesh over it that's kind of worn out. But the harmonica thing itself is in pristine condition. My car is making a lot of noise. It was loud. It's still, nope, it's not even loud anymore. It sounds wonderful now. All I had to do was get this lip back over this. And sorry I'm not taking a picture of it under the car, but this is as much good as I could get. You don't need to change your flex pipe. Your flex pipe isn't gonna break. You're gonna still get some exhaust leaks, which is not healthy. But what I do is I put it on circulate. As soon as I jump in the car, put it on circulate immediately. And I not only do that just for the exhaust fumes, I also do that because of the oil burning, because my engine is burning. My engine is burning so much oil right now. But anyhow, so if you messed with your engine recently and you hear a lot of noise, or if you mess with your, if you mess with your exhaust system or moved your engine around off of its mounts or anything like that, if you move the exhaust or you move the engine off the mounts, If you did something with the exhaust, like fix this coupling, or you move the engines off its mount, engine is over here, and you turn on the car and it's going blah, 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 that's because this harmonica got disconnected from this. You can just shimmy it back in. I think this is a whole stainless steel exhaust system. It's wonderful. I don't know, man. This is wonderful. I just shimmied it back over here. Now I'm not hearing anything. It sounds wonderful now. Hear that nice sound? It's like it's brand new. Hey, thanks. That's it for right now. Audi Q711.